Welcome back, Beer Champ barbecuers. We are doing a sausage crumble sliders today, and it's going to be delicious, hopefully. Hopefully, always hopefully. And we got a windstorm, rain coming in, and it is finally spring, but, you know, we're here going into April. Central New York, you never know what's going on, so let's get started on this cook. It's a giant windstorm. We're going to put this sausage in chopped onions and pepper, red pepper. The best, right? Anyway, put it on cast with a little bit of butter. We're putting it over the charcoal. We're going to cook that down. Okay, the sausage, onions, and peppers cooked down in the cast iron pan. Now we're going to break out another cast iron piece. Oh, cast iron so heavy. Anyway, we're going to break that out. We're going to put a bunch of, not a bunch, just a coating of whatever you like, Miracle Whip or mayonnaise. Put it down in the bottom. You're going to put your bottom buns down, and then you're going to load it up with this. Slap a bunch of cheese on top, put the buns on top, and then drizzle a little bit of butter oil with parsley, whatever you want. And then you're going to put that in direct for about 20 minutes. It's going to be awesome sliders. Sausage sliders, that is. So we're going to do a little yellow squash with our sausage sliders, and it's going to be fantastic. I bet. Alright, we've got the yellow squash on, ready to roll. We got the cast iron pan ready to go for these crumbled sausage sliders. So let's put them together and let's get cooking. So now, we're using some smaller buns, but not those tiny things for real sliders. Slider buns, way overpriced. Get yourself some regular old cheap hamburger buns, and you can really stuff them like this. Look at that. We're gonna load this up right now and make awesome sliders. That we're going to add is going to have plenty of grease as well, so we don't need more. I mean, seriously, let it drain away. Don't forget your veggies. Yellow squash. Rockin'. Slice them in half. Pop on some olive oil, vegetable oil, whatever you want. Season them up with, salt, pepper, garlic. It works perfect. And yeah, put it over the heat in a pan or directly on the grill, which I like that too. But in the pan, it's so much easier because you just pick it up, take it inside, and everybody's ready to roll. So that's smelling delicious. It was directly over the coals. I just been flipping it and I just pulled it off. Let's pop on the crumbled sausage sliders right now over the Weber kettle in this cast iron. Indirect cooking, folks. Indirect. That's the key. So you don't burn nothing. Look at that heat. Still going. Whatever grill you're using, do about 250 degrees opposite the heat. Indirect cooking is key here, and only about 10-15 minutes. They will be perfect. It's a little messy, but get out. Man, that is rocking. Man, perfect sliders, sausage sliders on the Weber Kettle. Man, those are dynamite. Try it out if you want, and leave your feedback down below. That was amazing. And this little Dutch dealio that I got was at Walmart on clearance for $17. Cast iron for $17. You can't beat it. Gonna be rocking. Kids are gonna love it. Very, very good. So I used mozzarella sliced cheese on top of all of that sweet sausage that I crumbled up, and put some onions and was it red pepper in it? Yeah. And Miracle Whip underneath in that pan, and then I drizzled a little oil and put some parsley flakes on top. Can't beat it, guys. Rockin'. Try it out. Hit the thumbs up. Cheers.